how to use Love8 app. So if you want to use Love8 app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you've installed the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And after installing, just open the application. Now, once you open, you need to enter your name. If you already have an account, then you can just simply go and log into your account. But in my case, I don't have an account, so I'll just simply go and create one. So enter your credentials, like your name, your gender, your age, and then go with continue, which will be on the bottom. After that, go with the following details and then go with continue. Just answer some questions or these quiz and then go with continue. Tap on explore now, which is on the bottom, and that's it. You've been logged into your account, or your account has been created, right? So if you want to use this Love8 app, then what you need to do is first you need to invite a partner. So you need to enter your partner's matching code, or you need to give your code to your partner so that you two will be able to use the application. So go with invite partner, and then here you will have your matching code. So you need to copy this code and send this matching code to your partner. If you go with the pet icon, which is on the bottom, then you'll be able to feed or play with it. It grows as your love does. You can add your anniversary or a big date and set a reminder. Love will send you sweet messages, or you can open the chat, type something, and you can also add the fun effects. But for that, you need to first match with your partner. You can go with widgets, tasks, stories, and many more. You'll be able to view the partner's profile too. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.